I'm going to be starting with priming my face with the Peach Sea Cream. I started doing my foundation first now. So I will be using my Moonshot Micro Setting Fit Cushion Foundation today. I tend to go for the cushion foundations because they're really quick and easy. And depending on my skin situation, I just adjust the amount of coverage I need. I will also put some in my eye as well, just to prep my eye for eyeshadow. Using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, I'm just gonna go and like cover blemishes and like acne scars. Before I do my base makeup, I make sure that my face is really moisturized, because if it's not, usually like these cushion foundations, I don't know if all of them, but the ones I've tried so far, the cushion foundation usually sticks onto like my dry patches and you can see them. Make sure you moisturize like your face like a lot. I'll use some translucent powder to set all of that. Okay, and usually I come back to the face, so I'll just like have everything done and then I'll come back to the face. So let's move on to the eyes. Okay, so for my eye makeup, I don't do like that much. So I just use the same color as like I would contour. So my bronzer and contour would be the same color as my eyes, if that makes sense. So I'm using the shade Desert, and I'm just lightly going to put that shade all over. And then whatever is left on the brush, I usually just put it on the bottom. And then to really like define my crease, I'm gonna put a darker color. So I'm gonna use this shade Stone. Okay, then I'm gonna use the shade Timber, and I'm going to I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line to make my lower lash line look a little more fuller. And then sometimes, if I feel like it, I'll like drag it out. So for my eyeliner, since eyeliner does take a while, I don't really want to think about it. So I tend to put my eyeliner a little lower than usual. Yeah, I just keep my eyeliner really low-key. Next, I highlight my inner corners so it doesn't like get on my lashes if I do it after. I may still do it after, but I just like to do it before I put on lashes. So now I'm gonna curl my lashes. And I curl my bottom lashes as well. For mascara, I'm using my Etude House Curl Fix mascara in brown. I'm gonna tightline my upper waterline. Okay, so if I don't have time, I usually would stop here. If I do have time, I would draw, I'm gonna draw some more false lower lashes. I'm also gonna add little like beauty marks at the end. So yeah, I would definitely like stop here, but I want lashes, so I'm gonna put on lashes. For lashes today, these are probably the most natural lashes that I have. So I'm going to be using the Jessyluxe times Doe lashes. I'm using them in 1111. I always said that this pair was a little too natural, but I think it's coming really handy for like this kind of look. Since it's like my everyday kind of look, I think these lashes would go really well with it today. So because the lash band is clear, it creates like more of a natural look. So Actually, I'm gonna curl them a little more. Here are the eyes. I'm gonna add a little bit more highlighter. So this pretty much completes the eyes, my everyday kind of eye makeup. Okay, so back to the face. So I'm gonna go straight into contouring. I'm using the same shades that I used for my eyes. So the shade Desert. I'm also gonna put it on my jawline. I put it like slightly more on top here. I feel like it just contours my face. And then the rest on my forehead and temples. Okay, so I just moved. Ah! Hi, how is he here? And then I am also going to contour my nose. For blush, I'm gonna take a mixture of my Milani Coral Cove blush with this Maelle Sundown blush. Ooh, the color turned out a little better than I thought. And then on my nose, the tip of my nose. And then the rest goes on my like temples. Okay, then I'm just gonna gently blend everything out. And then using the same highlighter that I used for my inner corners, I'm gonna highlight the high points on my face. For lips, I'm using my NYX lip liner in Natural. I couldn't find my other one that I wanted to use today. I'll be using my Pera Ink Velvet in number 2 in Celeb Deep Rose. I'm going for like a light red lip. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave the color to this. I'm also gonna draw more faux beauty marks as well. I have a pimple here, so I'm gonna turn it into a beauty mark. I want my cheeks to be a little more like red. Does the lip tint work like on my cheeks? Let's try it, I guess. Doing it this way would probably last a lot longer, which is actually really cool. I'm gonna put a little bit more on. This is fun. Blend it out with your finger first and then use a beauty blender over. And I'm gonna put the excess on the other areas where I put blush. Okay, and that pretty much completes the makeup look. My updated 2022 everyday makeup look. Thank you so much for watching if you reached this far, and don't forget to like this video and comment if you want. For more pictures and catching up with me, don't forget to follow my Instagram at jennniferyang. Until then, I hope you guys are safe and healthy. I will see you in my next video. Bye!